Joining us right now to talk more about this is Jessica Vaughan from the Center for Immigration Studies. Jessica, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So what is the appropriate response here? Of course, there is a longstanding tradition where we accept refugees in this country, asylum seekers. Is this something different? How should Immigration and Customs Enforcement respond to these people?
Well, they should follow the law, which says that they are put into custody in the vicinity of the border, and it's in the best interest of the country and the applicants for the government to consider their application as quickly as possible. And what we know is that in most cases, they are not going to qualify for asylum. They're going to have their case turned down because they can't show that they've been persecuted. So we might as well get it over with, adjudicate their cases quickly, and send them back home as quickly as possible so other people in their home country realize that this tactic is no longer going to work under the Trump administration. We do have an international obligation, I believe, to accept asylum applicants, but we have to remember that if they're coming from Central America, they've walked or traveled hundreds and hundreds of miles through Mexico, which is a safe country for them and which offers them the opportunity to apply for asylum. I would actually like it better, and I think the Trump administration ought to think about telling people that if they want to apply for asylum, they need to do it at our embassy in Mexico City. And that way they never get anywhere near the border, and we're not in a position where we have to go through this expense of lengthy court proceedings and keeping them in custody and having courts rule that we have to release them based on dubious legal justification, and then they become illegal aliens because they never show up for their asylum hearing. If we did this in Mexico, we could screen for the best cases who actually qualify and let them enter the United States with a visa, and everybody else either stays in Mexico or goes home.